Now let's talk about error handling. When you're working with files, various types of errors can occur, such as file not found error, permission denied, and many others. We can handle these errors by using try except block. Okay, I will try to broke our Python file, and in the first line I will change the file name that we want to open. Okay, I will try to run our Python file again. And you can see that in output we have exception, file not found error, no such file or directory, file1.txt. Okay, I will try to modify our code. In the first line, I will put try. And in the end, I will put except file not found error. And I will print message. The file does not exist. Okay, let's try to run our script again. And you can see that in the output we don't have any error, and right now we have message the file does not exist.